sun's out there shining. Digging that. Just eerie enough. Here, I might just turn it off for a second, this part. That'll work. Have a little bit of tune. Give a little bait. And here we go. Mr. Mouse comes in the scene. Bring him back. I know you're there. I know you're there. Just gonna give a little other focus here. Damn. I know, scared the crap out of me too, Chewa. Relax. Oh, he thought someone's knocking on the door. And away we go. these secret fucking labs. That is insane. Population killing viruses allowed to be worked on. What in the hell? Who's became the Nazi, Mr. Fauci? Sounds like a fucking experiment to me on human beings to a degree. Bullshit. Every single person on the planet should be pissed at these motherfuckers. They should be tried by a fair court. No more of this. And if it's caught, it's a death penalty. Better one gone than millions or a planet annihilated by some idiot working with a shit he shouldn't be. That's all I got to say. Every time I see that, it's a reminder of what we could have been, what our children could have been. Every damn thing that happens because of it. COVID is bullshit. And we should be furious. The fact that we're asleep is appalling to me. God bless. Live in the now. This is the virus. The planet's got to get rid of and deal with